So this recipe began when I found these firm green tomatoes in the reduced price section. Very reduced. They were a bargain. And ever since the movie Fried Green Tomatoes came out, I'd always wanted to do something with green tomatoes. A quick search on the internet, I added plenty of garlic and whatever greens I had in the fridge, chose a big fat recycled jam jar, and the rest is history. Gloriously rich and silky olive oil to imbue all those lovely flavors together, ready to eat in a day or so. Sit on the windowsill to soak up some winter sun. Full recipe on the link or go directly to my YouTube.